Da, what a boring day this has been. Man, something needs to happen. Something?
Something's gonna happen right now!
Oh, really? What?
I summoned my Indian friend to come and do a rain dance.
Well, that's nifty.
In reverse! In reverse! Yep, here he comes now.
Don't you know what this means, man?
We gotta go through with it!
No, we can't. If you do the rain dance in reverse, it ain't gonna rain no more.
And here he comes now!
Ringo.
That was some rain dance.
Now we're doomed.
Doomed! I guess we should sing a song.
Yeah, something like, hey, it ain't gonna rain no more.
Hey, it ain't gonna rain no more.
How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more?
Hey, it's raining.
What do you know it is?
Hey, you need was a fake.
Not worth a dime.